Hello friends, this is Dr. Rohan Mirani, and like every time I have come up with one very interesting video on front teeth gap closure. So friends, lot of people are having the space between the front two teeth. Some people are having the space between the front four teeth. So in this video I am going to share step by step what to do if you are having a very small space of just 1-2 millimeters, or if the space is very big, then what to do. Friends, this space, when we look at it in the medical language, it is called as diastema. So these procedures which I am going to discuss are called as diastema closure procedures. Now if the space is very small, just 1 to 2 millimeters, then most commonly the dentist will suggest you to do a composite filling. This composite filling are tooth color fillings which can be done painlessly in less than 15-20 minutes, half an hour's time, and the spaces between the two teeth can be closed. Typically, this composite filling material will cost you anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. If you have a very large space, that means the space is by around 4 or 6 millimeters or more, then typically the doctor will recommend you to go for ceramic veneers or crown. The advantage of these materials are they are much more stronger in the mouth, but the disadvantage is it will require 2 visits. So typically under local anesthesia, in the first visit the doctor will shape up the teeth to receive the crown or the veneer, and a mold is taken. Once the mold is made, then the lab person will give the ceramic veneer or the zirconia crowns, whatever material has been selected for you, and then this is bonded to the teeth. So it will require 2 visits, but the advantage is it is very sturdy and almost you can say like a lifetime permanent solution for the front teeth closure. The cost of a ceramic veneer or a crown, most people wonder why they got a gap. So friends, one of the most common reason of having a gap is a high frenal attachment, which means that the skin under the lips is attached between the two teeth, causing this kind of spacing. So now since you know the reason of the space between the front two teeth, let me also tell you the cost of a crown or a veneer is roughly between 15 to 20,000 rupees. For people who don't want to do anything on their front teeth, don't want any grinding or any artificial material, one of the other best method is to do with braces. Typically with the help of wires, when we close the space, it takes around 4 to 6 months and the cost factor is 15 to 20,000 rupees. So I hope this quick and short video on the front teeth gap closure which I made for you all is liked by you. Please keep sharing our videos and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.